Good morning. It's 6:53 on the 12th of November, Monday, and I'm gonna go through the plans we had for Friday versus what happened, and the plans for today. Friday's scenarios 1 to 4. Scenario 1 was test lower and extend balance with an upward skew. Scenario 2 was the opposite. Scenario 3 was a drive V-shaped move. And scenario 4 was a complete balance. Scenario 4. And this is Friday. This is what we got. We got scenario 4. Complete balance. A day of 43 points range. And not much volume. I think the volume was around. Okay, 152. So small, but not that small. Smallish. There's complete balance outside in type of trade day. There's a few opportunities. And this morning we're seeing a big drop just now, about half an hour ago. Price is just dropping. There's the overnight. 6:30 we had this big bar, lots of volume. There it is. Unusual volume for this time of the day, morning. Usually the volume picks up at 7. That's why my open is at 7. And this is at 6:30. Someone offloaded a few contracts. Also, they sold a few contracts, quite a few, 8,000. So this sets us up for today on a bearish note. We're in the complete gap. From April 2017. This is the gap. This is where we are at gap high. So we have a gap of about 50 points. One day's range, pretty much. Monday's kind of range. And then we have a balanced profile below with a point of control of 1145 or 145. 145, which is about 100 points from where we are now, or 150 points from where we're now. We're at 300. I don't expect this to be achieved today. So, what's the scenarios for today? We're opening out of range, and statistically this happens on, can't remember the exact figure, but not that many days in the 6C of my opening hours, 7 to 9, 9:15. So statistics show that 70% of the day we close the range, 30% we don't, and we have a slightly higher than the usual probability of a balanced day. And so not really like a very strong balanced bias, but more often than the norm. You get a balanced day when you're opening outside of range, and what we also could have is a kind of a down and down open. It's happens it happens um, in some occasions. He does this move. So today scenarios will be as follows. Scenario 1 in blue, we're opening right on top of the gap. So I expect a drop a slight test to the upside, not much, and a move headed for the mid. And the low, possibility of taking out this naked VBOK from 2017 April, and then going up in the afternoon, rising in the afternoon. That's scenario 1. Scenario 2, there's the open. Scenario, okay. Scenario 2 is test to the mid, gap mid, and fulfilling the 70% probability of closing the gap. This will give us a range of 60 points. Which for Mondays, okay, if not a bit optimistic. Scenario 2. And we also have a scenario. Why is this sound? And then we have scenario 3, which is a trend down day. That will take us to the template days VPOC and follow its day levels. That day's close and that day's very high and low. That's scenario 3. Range-wise, scenario 2, as I said, will be around 67 points, or maybe a bit too much. 336 is an HVN, kind of very well pronounced, so I expect some balancing there. Scenario 3, range-wise, 75 to do naked VPOC. It's a bit too much. Well, not for a balanced day. And that's my scenarios for today. We'll do that again tomorrow.